Look like Nvidia trying to bounce up right here. That boy could start running. What I see in the 5 minute, got a trend line coming down. In the structure, get the low, high, low, lower high, higher low, which looks like a double bottom right here. And it's breaking past this high. If we break past that high, that double bottom, we can start running up. I'm gonna enter on the 2 minute chart though. I do see an uptrend trying to start the 2 minute also. Low, high, higher, low. Trying to break past these highs. Break past some highs, we gone. All right, here we go. Nvidia trying to break up right here. Minute left on this candle. I'm gonna see if that boy gonna close above this high. Boy, Nvidia having a little bit of trouble closing above this high right here. 5 minute chart, holding above the 9 EMA. We're good. Here we go, Q breaking the highs right now. Let's see where this candle close at. I'm getting that now. We pushing. All right, I'm in Nvidia right now. Nvidia calls. That boy pushing off rip. Now I'm just riding that trend up as far as I want to go. 5 minute chart on Nvidia. You can see us trying to run off that double bottom. Breaking past it right here. We got to break past higher day now, acting as resistance, so we can take off. We got Nvidia trying to hold up, trying to make a higher low right here. I'm gonna trail my stop loss right here, below this higher low on Nvidia. We just continuing that uptrend. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I'm just ride that trend up. Another pullback coming on Nvidia, which is cool. Still riding that uptrend. Low, higher low, higher low. High, higher high, higher high. Still looking bullish. Holding that. 5 minute chart on Nvidia. That boy came back down to the 9 EMA. Plus came back down to retest that high of daybreak. Nvidia trying to make a higher low right here. I'm gonna trail my stop loss right here, right below this higher low. If one of these higher lows get broken, that tells me that the bulls are getting weak. We got bears coming in, and it's time to exit that trade. Hey man, clap it up. Come on. That boy Nvidia going crazy. Give that boy a round of applause. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Look at that trend, man. Low, high, higher, low. Higher, high, higher, low. Higher, high, higher, low. Oh my gosh. Let's go. If anybody is new here, let me introduce myself. Cash Wheel, the market sniper, AKA the trend killer, man. Come on. Nvidia coming up to some resistance at 127. I'm gonna take partial profits right here. Or we could get a pullback coming in right here. I wanna trail my stop loss for real. I'm gonna trail my stop loss right here. Look like another higher low to continue the uptrend. Oh my gosh. Come on, man, Nvidia. Show me something then. That boy going crazy. We could get up there to that 128.15 resistance. We keep on riding this trend up. That boy Nvidia is going so crazy, bro. Big pullback on Nvidia coming. Not gonna lie, I should have took a little bit more profits up here, man. When that mug was up there in the 40%. I know what I was thinking. That mug pulling back hard as a mug right now. 5 minute, breaking that 90 EMA a little bit. see if we're gonna hold below the 9. Yeah, I should have took a little more off up there. I'm tweaking. 5-minute chart bouncing off that 9 EMA. Bulls trying to hold us up. Nvidia looking bearish right here. We got a high, lower high. If we break this low, I will get out. If we break below this high or low right here, that will tell me that we got bears coming in. And the bulls might be done with. 15-minute chart. Look, I got a big old doji up here. Indecision candle. Looking a little weak. But if we make another high or low, break past this high, we can continue up. 5-minute chart, it is breaking that 9 EMA. Let me see if we close below it. If we close below it, I might get out. What did it just do? I think it did close below the 9 EMA. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna get out right here. Great trade though, man. Caught the trend on that boy. Let me break it down for you right quick. 5-minute chart. You can see we got a double bottom right here. Low, high, equal low. Boom, came up. Broke the neckline. Broke high of day. Start running up. Came down. Retested our support. Ran up. The next resistance, 127. Look like we making another higher low right here. So that boy could keep on going. Then on the 2-minute chart, just rode that trend, baby. I mean, kept on making higher lows. Just ride the trend up. Boom. But if y'all boys like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But until next time, man, I'm out of here.